few years ago, I read a book about that we human beings are aliens. Because today is a very big issue in the world today that people talks about the aliens, that they want to find aliens. But what we learn from the Quran, we all are also aliens actually. We all human beings are aliens. Rather than we look for the aliens coming or not, we ourselves, we all human beings are actually aliens. Because the Prophet, the Quran said, and also Prophet Muhammad Sallam told us that our father, the Adam, the first human being, he came from paradise. And paradise is not on the earth, it's above us, it's in the skies, above the sky. So it means we came from the other place. We were sent here, not us, but our grandfather and our grandmother, the Adam and Hawa, the Eve. The Adam and Hawa, the Eve, they came from paradise. And they settled here. And then if you look, the people, those who lives on this earth, like creation of Allah, if you can look them like animals or the plants, they are very adjustable here on this earth. They have no problem at all. They feel comfortable here. But if you look the human beings, we are not made for this earth. For example, if you look the animals like cow or the goat or the tiger, lion, their skin is according to the climate. Example, the cat in the Philippines has not big hair, but if the cat in the cold countries like in Europe, in America, or in other cold countries, they have a different hair because it is their cloth to save them from the climate, the cold climate. Now, for example, the animals, they can eat everything directly. They doesn't need to cook or to prepare or to wash, nothing. They eat directly. We, even for vegetables, we cannot eat. We need to wash them and clean them. With fruits, we cannot eat them, but we need to wash them. So everything on the earth is not compatible for us. We need to make it adjustable for us. Like we need to wear clothes, we need to clean ourselves. The flowers, the trees or the animals, they are natural. They're adjustable on this earth, but we are not adjustable because we came from other place. We are not from this earth. So we are aliens. Why? Because our grandfather, the Adam, the first human being, and the wife of Adam, the Hawa, the Eve, they came from paradise. They were out because they got sin in the paradise. They were eaten from the tree. So by the punishment of Allah, they were sent on the earth. And we can go back to paradise if we will follow the commands of Allah. Okay, if the God, what He command us, we follow this, then we can go back to paradise in the next life. Now, the animals are on this earth. They are the creation of earth. The plants or the insects or the reptiles, they are all the creation of this earth. We are not from the earth. We are from the paradise. And even you can look that everything here is difficult for us, but not for the animals and plants. Easy for them. Animals, they know how to handle the situation. Geographically, climate, or whatever other aspects, they are perfect on this earth. We are not. We need to do, example, the animal doesn't need house. They can live anywhere. But for we need to make houses, and houses also according to the climate and according to the geographical location. Okay, for example, if you're living in a hot country, you need the with more windows and more ventilation. If you live in the cold country, you need to make very thick house with easy to live in there. So we need to do lots of struggle on this earth. And even if you can see it, what Islam said, what Quran said, and the Prophet said that we human being, our father Adam came from the paradise. And you look at the human being today, every human being, he want to make this earth as paradise. They are struggling to make it paradise. Example, they want to make the gardens, which is in the part of the paradise. They like rivers, and they want to make the beautiful palaces or beautiful houses, and they want decorations. And they want to good looking for themselves, especially the women. They like to be good look, and they like to good dresses. We like to wear good dresses, attractive dresses. And this is all the part of the paradise. So even our DNA, we want to live like paradise. We want to live the luxurious life like paradise. And that's a proof that what the Quran said, that we came from paradise, it is a proof because our DNA is always looking for a paradise on earth. But we can never get paradise on earth. But if we obey God, Allah, then we can go to paradise. But for this earth, we can make never paradise. Because, for example, like my mother died few months ago, and it was a sad moment. So this earth cannot be paradise. People get sick, people get old, people get weak, people get troubles. So this earth can never be make a paradise, because paradise means happiness, no sadness. But we always face the sadness in this world. So world can be peace for us. Allah can make our heart peaceful, but world cannot be a perfect paradise for us, even though the human beings are trying to make it paradise. They want to make a beautiful subdivision, they want to make a beautiful houses and nice clothes and nice accessories. Especially women, they like lots of makeup, etc. Why? Because we came from paradise, so we are trying to make this earth is paradise. Because our father Adam, our forefather Adam, the Prophet Adam, the first human being, and his wife Hawa or the ape, they were out from paradise, they come on the earth. Since then, human beings are always trying to make this earth as paradise. And also the scientifically, this earth is not perfect for us for many things, like we compare to animals and plants and other creation on the earth. For them, the earth is always adjustable. Everything, for the climate, for geography, for social problem, for a social aspect, everything is perfect for the animals and plants. For us, we need to make it perfect. We need to make adjustment every time. Food, we need to cook them well. We need to wash the fruits and vegetables and meat. And also we need to make the shelter. Everything is not straight for us, but we need to do lots of things. For example, the animal children, like cow or goat or lion, when they come on the earth, they newborn, they know how to walk already. But for us, human being, no. We need to learn here everything. We need to adjust here in this earth. And we are always looking for the paradise. And we want to go back to paradise. That's how we feel. And we can still go to paradise, but the condition is to follow the commands of Allah and follow the way of the prophets. All the prophets like Adam, Noah, Abraham, Jesus, Moses, and the last prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, peace be upon them all. And if not, then this earth, Allah can make it a hell for us. For example, there are millions of people, they make suicide. Why? Because their heart is not peaceful, so their life become hellfire. They are feeling like hell on earth. Okay. So if we follow the commands of Allah, then Islam that's meaning Islam, and Islam gives us a beautiful life on this earth. And that is also our bridge to bring us in the next life to paradise. So I will try to look that book which I was reading. Is a very beautiful book. And the author was saying that we human beings are on earth as aliens. We came from outside the world, outside this earth. And that's definitely true, because that's what Allah said in the Quran. And what the prophets also explained, that Prophet Adam, he came from paradise and he left on the earth.
Not from earth.
Okay. The book name is Humans Are Not From Earth. Humans Are Not From Earth. A scientific evaluation of the evidence. Second edition, Alice Silver, PhD. That the author name is Alice Silver. That person is PhD, and that is second edition now. Human are not from earth, and that's correlating with Quran and Hadith. That indeed we are not from the earth. That's why we are having a difficulties living in earth, and we are always trying to make earth as paradise and not as a hell. But only the way where we can believe some sample of paradise when we follow the commands of Allah, praying 5 times on time, making fasting, and saying truth and not tell a lie, and speaking good words, and eating what is lawful and not eat which is unclean, and do all the good relations with parents and wives and children and brothers and sisters, uncles, aunties. Then we can make a sample of paradise, not exactly paradise, but somehow essence of paradise we can feel here on this earth, and not hellfire. Because those who are away from God, away from commands of Allah, finally they destroy their life. They want to kill themselves with drugs and with alcohol and with cigarettes and with bad things. And finally they kill themselves. And there are millions of people who feel that their life is like hellfire, so they take their own life. They kill themselves with their own hands to finish their life. So may Allah save us from this bad life. May Allah save us from His anger and from hellfire. May Allah be happy with us, enter us in Jannatul Firdaus, in paradise, where we would like to go, in paradise forever. I mean,